Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. I hope you are pretty well and enjoying your time. My last video was on the life of Sophocles, the writer of play Oedipus Rex. My today video is on the play written by Sophocles, Oedipus Rex. Dear students, I have selected some main points. These are the points that will be helpful for you to prepare university questions. Let us have a view the points I have selected for you to discuss. First is as a tragedy, Oedipus Rex as a tragedy, or Oedipus Rex hero, Oedipus the king as a tragic hero. Tragedy is a term used by many critics. Aristotle has also used this term in his famous book Poetics, and he also gave the ingredients of tragedy, and he has discussed tragedy in detail and the feature of tragedy in his book. Oedipus Rex is not only a great tragedy written by Sophocles, but critics say it is a great tragedy ever written by any writer. So, Aristotle also has mentioned Oedipus Rex in his book Poetics. What is a tragedy and what are the ingredients of tragedy and what are the features of tragedy? Tragedy is a action that is a complete serious action, that is a complete in the sense. So our tragic hero, as described by Aristotle, has a tragic flaw or hamartia, and because of that hamartia, the character, the hero of a tragedy, meets a tragic end. In this play, we see King Oedipus Rex hamartias his rash temper, his hot temper, and his misunderstanding of judging the circumstances and the event and incidents of the play. So he met his tragic end because of his hamartia, though there is also a role of fate and Delphi we will discuss later on in the next topics. Tragedy also arouses pity and fear in audience. The purpose of pity and fear is to make catharsis for the audience, their emotional equivalence and their emotional balance in their mind and in their heart. Another ingredient of tragedy that is used by Sophocles in this play Oedipus Rex is a reversal and recognition. Critics say he has used these two terms, reversal and recognition, very skillfully, and he also used it in a way that both these occur simultaneously at the same time. Reversion being when the flow of events return back to the past and then there is a recognition of the realities and the incidents, as Oedipus Rex knows later in the play that he is not a child of his mother and father who are in living Corinth, but he is a child of the Laius and Queen Jocasta. That was the reversal and recognition. When we discuss R.D. Oedipus Rex, R.D. is a term that was used in philosophy, first of all by Socrates, and later it was used by Sophocles in literature. R.D. means difference of spurious difference of appearance and reality. There are many oracle incidents in Oedipus Rex, Corinth, that left by king because of oracle was not a native town, and Polybus and Merope were not parents of King Oedipus. Ironically, they were his foster parents, and he came to Thebes and he killed his father Laius unknowingly and married his mother Jocasta unknowingly. That is a irony of life, that is a irony of the drama of Oedipus Rex. There are also very verbal irony when he accuses Tarsus, the blind prophet, of the treason and conspiracy against Oedipus Rex, and he accused him as a blind man, and later he also committed self-blindness and he became blind himself. He also unknowingly accused the messenger not telling him truth, and when he told him truth and he knew the reality of his identity. There might be some verbal incidents and other incidents when he says he will punish the culprit who is polluting the city and who is the cause of plague. And ironically, the words he was saying for the punishment returned back to on his own personality when he knew that the person he is looking for is the person he himself. Role of fate and character. This tragedy is a tragedy of a fate or tragedy of a character. This is a mixture of fate and character tragedy. Sophocles has beautifully intermingled these two factors, fate and character. If we see the role of fate and gods, we see King Oedipus is puppet in the hands of gods. He left the Corinth, his place, because he knew that Merope and King Polybus were his parents. But he did not know he is going to his native town, Thebes, and Laius, Jocasta, who are his parents in real, he is going to meet the fate Oracle had predicted before. So the role of fate and gods is very prominent in this tragedy, but the role of character, as we see King Oedipus with his own initiative explore the truth, and he is looking after the person who is a polluted person and the cause of the plague in the city. Though Jocasta, the queen who has realized the reality beforehand, and the messenger stopped him not to intrude in the investigation, but king's hot temper and his suspicious nature lead him to tragic end. So we can say Oedipus Rex tragedy is not only a tragedy of fate, it is also a tragedy of character, but the role of fate is very large in scale in this drama, Oedipus Rex. Importance of Delphi Oracle. When we see the importance of Delphi Oracle, Delphi was a shrine of Apollo on a mountain, and all the Greeks were go to seek the oracle in their matters, in their political matters, family matters, and social matters. So the oracle of Delphi was considered by the people, it is a true and they act upon. So King Laius and Jocasta abandoned their newborn baby Oedipus on the mountain because of the oracle. And later, when we see a drunken courtier told the truth of the parentage of Oedipus Rex, when he said these parents are not his real parents, Oedipus Rex went to Delphi to seek the oracle, and the oracle, not giving him the correct answer of his question, told him he will murder his father and will marry his mother. So he left Corinth to avoid this oracle and this prediction, and he went to Thebes. Unknowingly, the oracle is going to fulfill because his real parents were living in Thebes. So the role of Delphi is very important in this tragedy. As we see, when play starts, the plague that is annoying the people of Thebes, they came to their king and request to get rid of that plague, and King Oedipus told them that he has sent Creon to Delphi to seek the oracle. So we see there is a very important role of Delphi oracle in the play, because the oracle by the shrine of Apollo was considered as a divine suggestions. So students, I hope this video will be very useful for you to prepare Oedipus Rex play. I hope you will find it very useful. If you haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe it so that you have my other videos on time. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Take care. Allah Hafiz.